That's where we was, up there.
Yeah. You would never guess, eh?
Now,
That this is here in the middle of Fredericton.
yeah. And up there's
I mean,
the highway.
There's that, but
Oh,
it's still beautiful.
Yeah. You're doing pretty good so far. I haven't met anybody.
No. I think they were all in the river.
Yeah. Is there anybody?
Young ones in the river,
Yeah.
I think.
Those are lupins, aren't they?
Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Oh, goodness. It's the perfect temperature too
Yeah.
for a day like this. Not too hot, not too cold.
It's supposed to be like this all
It's
weekend.
good for the menopausal women,
Yeah.
you know?
It's supposed to be like this all weekend.
Yeah, this is perfect. I love it. Gorgeous there. Oh my goodness. Probably more bikers that go down here, hey?
Yeah.
Than
I've only met
feet
bikers.
traffic.
Yeah, I've only met bikers.
Yeah.
How you doing, Coopy?
I was in the water, in the slough. Were you in the slough? That's what we call it in
Yeah.
Alberta. Those little spots. They're sloughs.
All this floods in the spring,
Oh, yeah.
like all the way up
Yeah.
to the trail. So all that down in there, it's
all
just
part of the river.
it's just
hey?
water. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can't even
Coopies!
see.